Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. To get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using my home screen as an example for this. So once it's open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is press power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. Hold it for about a second or so, you'll get this animation that you just seen, and then to give you a notification that screenshot has been saved. And that screenshot can be found in your photo application. So there it is, screenshot, and that's the screenshot. So anyway, that is how you would capture any kind of screenshot on this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.